Hello! Our topic for this video tutorial is about links or hyperlinks. It is a group of words or image that you can click to jump to a new document or to a new section within the current document. There are two kinds of links. These are text links and image links. Here's the sample code for text link. A stands for anchor, href stands for hyperreference, link.html is the URL, sample link is the text link. Here's the sample code for image link. Again, A stands for anchor, href stands for hyperreference, and image.html is the link. img src is the image source. Save it and view it in the browser. If you click the text link, it will redirect you to another page. If you click the image link, it will redirect you to another page. Well,